Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat camera is zoomed in. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. If your camera in Snapchat is also zoomed and not going back to normal, there might be issues with your settings in Snapchat. And in this case, you just simply have to open your Snapchat or setting application in order to clear the cache. And after opening the application, just simply click to your Bitmoji icon and from there go to settings. And into settings, scroll down to all the way bottom and you will find this clear cache option. But before that, just simply go to settings, and into settings go into app settings and from there go to permissions. And into the permission settings, just simply open the camera option into here, and now you just simply have to find out the Snapchat application into camera permission. Now just simply disable it and again open the Snapchat application, and after opening the Snapchat application, click to this clear cache button and click to continue. And when your cache gets cleared, just simply go back again to the settings application and enable the camera permission for Snapchat, and after that your zoomed camera problem most probably be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.